Smoked apple crisp. Y'all ready? Let's go. First, we're going to be taking 3 pounds of sliced Granny Smith apples into a bowl, then adding in 1 whole lemon juice. Next, taking in some cinnamon, brown sugar, ginger, and 5 spice. Give this a nice mix. Now onto our crumble, we're going to be taking old-fashioned oats, brown sugar, all-purpose flour, unsalted butter, crushed pecans, and a pinch of salt. Give this a nice mix. Butter our cast iron skillet next, just like so, adding in our apples. Next, placing our crumble right on top. And then now onto our smoker. Smoking this at 350 degrees in our apple wood smoke. There we have it, an amazing apple smoked crisp. As always, please do like, subscribe, follow for future recipes. Have a good day now, you hear? Bye-bye.